Good morning, Airborne students and faculty. Today is Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. It is day 61. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stay standing while we recite the Airborne School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my school. I am ready to learn. Just a few morning announcements today. So welcome back. It is Tuesday, like I said. I hope you had a wonderful afternoon yesterday. Mr. Higgins will be covering in room 5. So today we just have a few pictures to talk about Old Sturbridge Village. It is a living museum which recreates life in rural New England during the 1790s through the 1830s. It's located in Sturbridge, Massachusetts, which is about an hour and a half from here. And these are just some photos of what life was like back then. So here we have, during Christmas season and during the holiday season, they will show you how to make their recipes that they used to have during this time. So here they're recreating, they have some fruit, they make marzipan, they make their own ornaments. And these are some of the examples of some of the ornaments that they would have during this time that they show you how they make. So here on the left, they would just take what they had around them. So they would take little twigs and they would tie ribbons to the twigs for decorations on their tree. They would also, here, they would take sliced oranges and they would cook them in the fire and put a little ribbon around them, and that would be an ornament that they would use as well. And here they would use pine cones, attach a ribbon to it, and hang that from the tree. So they were all very natural ornaments. And like I said, these are all very natural ornaments. And if you'd like to learn more about life during this time, during the 1790s through the 1830s, if you'd like to see how they lived, maybe some recipes that they ate during the holiday season, there's a website. It's Old Sturbridge Village, and I'll post that on Schoology a little bit later. And when you're home, you and your families can look at it, look at some recipes that they made. They show you how to make these ornaments as well, and they kind of give you a virtual tour of Old Sturbridge Village and the different houses that they had and what life was like. I hope you enjoy.